discussed collision theory, Arrhenius equation and energy profile diagrams. In this video, let us discuss about the effect of catalyst on the rate of reaction. Generally, we will study this thing in catalysis, but in chemical kinetics also, they will ask you questions based on this. Catalyst. Effect of catalyst on the rate of reaction. You know very well there are two types of catalysts are there. Positive catalyst and negative catalyst. What is positive catalyst means? Positive catalyst increases rate of reaction and negative catalyst decreases rate of reaction. A substance that alters rate of reaction without undergoing any chemical change in the reaction is known as a catalyst. If it increases rate of reaction means it is positive catalyst. If it decreases rate of reaction means it is negative catalyst. We know very well the energy profile diagram. This is energy and this is extent of reaction. Let us take there is a chemical reaction irrespective of endothermic or exothermic. Energy of reactants, energy of products, and this is activation energy without catalyst. In this case, this is energy extent of reaction. Here I am not going into the examples of the positive and negative catalyst and ALMA. In surface chemistry, I will make a separate video on that thing. There we will discuss. Since it is chemical kinetics related thing means I am just explaining this. Be careful with this concept, ma. This will be useful for advanced examinations and mains examinations especially. Local entrance test examination, I am not sure they will be asking you on this concept. So see, these are the reactions. Why the rate of reaction increases in case of positive catalyst means the positive catalyst works in such a way that it will decrease the activation energy of the reaction. So here you see this is the activation energy in presence of catalyst. This is activation energy in absence of catalyst. So since activation energy decreases, easily you can climb the wall and you can go right simply. The energy profile diagrams are nothing but climbing the hills. Here the hill is very high means it takes so much time to cross the hill. If the hill is small means immediately you can cross the hill. So that's why once you use the catalyst means it decreases the activation energy. That is positive catalyst. But what this negative catalyst will do means negative catalyst will increase the activation energy. So this is the activation energy without catalyst, but once you add the catalyst, the activation energy becomes very, very high. Once the activation energy becomes very high, can it cross the energy barrier means it takes some time to cross the energy barrier, so the rate is very low. In presence of catalyst, this is the activation energy. In absence of catalyst, this is the activation energy. Let us see, right, Arrhenius equation for this. ln K is equals to ln A minus EA by 2.303 RT. ln Kc is equals to ln A minus EAC by 2.303 RT. Now see, which is more, Kc is more or K is more means Kc will be greater than K. So that's why take this equation 1, take this equation 2 and go for 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 you do means what you will get? For this thing, ln Kc by K is equals to, this gets cancelled, this is plus will come. So that's why A minus EAC by 2.303 RT. ln Kc by K equals to EA minus EAC by 2.303 RT. Why EA minus EAC means EA will be greater than EAC. Why EA is greater than EAC? Because catalyst is decreasing it. But in this case, you see, ln K equals to ln EA minus EA by 2.303 RT. ln Kc equals to ln EA minus EAC by 2.303 RT. Here K will be greater than Kc, so that's why we will go for 1 minus 2. Always whatever the book you follow, the procedure will be same only. In some books they will go for 1 minus 2, in some books they go for 2 minus 1. It's none of your business. Whatever is there, the procedure you understand me, things will be easy for you. So that's why ln I have taken means 2.303 will not be here. If you take log means 2.303 will be present. So that's why ln K by Kc is equals to, K by Kc means minus will come, this will be plus will come. So EAC by EA by RT. You can write like this. Or if you write in logarithms means log K by Kc equals to EAC minus EA by 2.303 RT will come. For this thing, if you write in terms of logarithms, log Kc by K equals to EAC minus EA by 2.303 RT will come. Like this, we can study about the effect of catalyst on the rate of reaction and finding activation energy in presence of catalyst. They will ask very clearly, because of adding a catalyst, the rate of reaction increased by 10 times. What is the activation energy of the resulting reaction? Like that they will be asking you. So be careful with that kind of things. So by using these two things, we can identify the effect of catalyst on the rate of reaction. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.